So now we have all these triangles that represent the California coastline. Let's talk about how we can make them, make them feel a little more alive. And so I look at this now, and when I think about lights, and that's what each one of these represent, right? Let's see what we can do with cones instead of triangles. And so generally, when you use light in 3D, you are not actually going to see the light. You're just going to see its result. That's how it works. But we're going to create some cones first and see how that reacts to the light. Okay, so we have here, and it's as simple as saying a cone. A cone. Save it. Oh, and there we go. Look at that. I kind of dig it. It's got some like 90s monochrome distortion happening, but I think we could do a little bit better. All right, so let's say it's a cone. So let's say we are looking for a radius bottom. Radius bottom. And let's say that radius bottom, we already know that the top ends at 0. So let's do the radius bottom ends at 2.5 meters. Let's see what happens when you make it even smaller. A lot of this stuff you can think about it later. Let's reduce it a little bit further. Oh, that's a little too dark, but there is all sorts of possibilities here. All right. And so let's move this up to 8. Yeah. And so here you see how easy it is to change something. If I wanted to change this to tetrahedrons, I could turn it to tetrahedrons, right? If I spell tetrahedrons right, and I spelled tetrahedrons right, so check it out. Anyway, so any shape you can spell properly, you could put here. You can check the A-frame IO documents if you want all the different shapes that are possibilities.